Let's install Visual Studio Code and create our first project. First, go to this URL. You can go here from the link in the description below. Just click on that URL and you'll be redirected here. Now I'm on Windows 11, but the same process for Windows 10 applies. Now click on this one and your download will start. If the download has not yet started, you can just click on this direct download link and your download will start then. As you can see, setup file has downloaded. Now just click on open file and your installation wizard will open. Click on I accept the agreement, click next, and no need to change anything here, just click next and click install. And now the installation will start. Visual Studio Code has been successfully installed. Now this launch Visual Studio Code will be checked. No need to do anything here again and click finish and your Visual Studio Code will open. So VS Code has already opened for me. Now I have these two things here. You will not be shown these two because I already had these installed and that's why it is opening. Now let's see how we can create a folder or open a project. Now click on file and we can open an existing project by clicking on open folder or by clicking on open file. So let's click on open folder and create a new project for us. So I'll call it my new project and we can select folder, and as you can see my new project is now open. Now here you can click on this to create a new file. I'll call it index.html and we can click this to create a new folder inside our project. Let's call it libraries. So this is how you can create a project inside Visual Studio Code. Now if we close Visual Studio Code and go back to my directory where I had created my new project, as you can see the index.file.html and libraries folder is created. This is how you can install Visual Studio Code and you can open a folder or open a project in Visual Studio Code. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.